Hello student, today we are going to take a look towards the features of Google Classroom. In last lecture we have discussed about the how to use or how to join the Google Classroom. Today we are going to look towards the features of Google Classroom. Now as we know that Google Classroom is the most important parameter. So here you can see this is nothing but the first opening window in which we need to add our email account. So here we need to add the email account, and after adding email account and password we will get this particular window. In this window we need to choose a role, say for example as a student. So as you click on the student, you can get this particular type of classroom in which invitations are given by two different people for joining the class. So as you click on the join button, you will get inside to the classroom, or we can say virtual classroom you are going to join. Now as you are inside to the classroom, you will get this particular type of platform in which you can see that here the create post, or you can type some message and you can forward that message to the classroom. It is very common type of message and it will get to all the different types of participants, or we can say the people available in the classroom. So after that, on the left side you can see the different types of menu you can observe. Say for example, the class you have joined, BSc first year, and same one, diversity of crypto games, that class you have joined. Now these all comes in the stream. Along with that you can see here the different types of announcement which is done by the teacher. Say for example, PJ Gadge posted a new questions with the particular type of chapter. So that is nothing but the inclusion comes under the stream. Now moving to the another tab, that is classwork. On the top side you can see the another menu that we called it as a classwork, and in classwork you can see the different types of work which is assigned to you is given as a list. So according to the appearance of that particular classwork or that particular material, you will get this particular parameter. Along with that you can also see the another part that we called it as a view your work. So what is work you have done, whatever you have submitted, you can view that particular parameter in view your work. And the next tab is there, people. So in people you will get the list of people which is included in classwork. Say for example teachers, then classmates, what are the classmates which is included in your class, that is also given in this particular list as people. Now at the last, when you want to sign out, you just need to click on the button on the left hand side and you can log out through the classroom. So this is all about the features of classroom. Hope you can understand all the points related to the classroom.